a CNC plasma cutting machine with plasma gun and flame gun, and have the pipe cutting attachment. This machine working area is 1.3 meter in x-axis and 3 meter in y-axis. The plasma torch and the flame torch are separate, can control separate up and down. This is a switch here. This is control the plasma torch. This control the flame torch. This is the CNC controller. STARFIRE controller. This is the torch heat THC torch heat controller. This is a hand controller for control movement. Okay, this is the plasma source. Hypetherm. This machine with water bed. This bed can fill into water to absorb the smokes. And oil lubricator. Now we check the electric for the Hypetherm plasma source. The input uses 3-phase 380 voltage. You can see here. And this is the power supply cable, and this cable is the signal cable, and this is the air cable, air in. Okay, so this is the switch for the power switch for the plasma source. Oh, this one here. This torch is this cable is connected to plasma gun here, and this one is the ground cable. And when we cut plate, then we need to connect to it to any place in the table. And when we use the rotary, we also need to connect the ground cable, such like in this way. Okay, and then check the. This is the power supply cable for the controller, for the control cabinet, electric box. Check. It uses 1-phase 220 voltage. Okay. See here, connect to here. Oh. Here. Well, when deliver the machine, this cable will be. This is for the rotary. To connect the rotary axis. It will disconnect. So let's check here. I will send photo later, clear photo later. Okay. This is the main switch, main power switch for the whole system. and this is emergency stop. And this switch, the switch to plate cutting, means a table movement, and pipe cutting. This is pipe cutting. This is plate cutting. Also here, this is we control plasma gun, and this is we control flame gun. This is the switch for the CNC controller, and the emergency stop for the CNC controller. And these two pipes are for the flame gun. The blue one, oxygen, and the red one, supply connect the fuel. This is the torch heat controller, and when you use, you can always switch to auto mode. The second switch is to control the torch up or down automatically. If you need to push it and hold it, the torch will go up. And this button is same function. Difference is you need only to press one time, then the torch will go down and directly to the bottom, to the zero limit place, and it will go up again to the heatness, to the heat of this IHS heat reset. So when you use, and first after you receive the machine, you need to turn this to auto mode, and the sensitivity don't need to change. Always use 5 will be okay. Don't need change. When you use, only need to change IHS heat and the arc voltage. About the heat and the voltage, you can check the user manual. They have the user manual of Hypetherm. They have the reference parameters. Another matter is, before run a program, we recommend you to press the arc strike to test the arc, to check the machine gun, the plasma can arc successfully. The ampere of this plasma source can change range from 30 ampere to 125. So when we use its maximum power, such as 125 ampere, then we need to use the corresponding electric nozzle and shield. This is shield. We need to use the corresponding nozzle and shield. There is numbers in the shield and the nozzle. Let's see this one. Okay. Okay, let's see. Have number 125 ampere. So we need to use correct model. If we use, if we change the power, such as 65 ampere, then we need to change the different model of nozzle and different model of the shield. Shield. 啊，好了。这是从图库里选的。从图库里选的。
对，它自带的这几个。这边就可以了。好。
这个还用？
系啥？等一个充了电之后，需要手动起步测试一下。
这是 after by hand test。OK。
这样就没问题了。
这个还需要，
就是刚才你要开一下，就是你先这样的。开完之后那边显示起伏了，你要看这边有没有数值才可以。
That's that. This is the have number in the arc successfully. 这个高度还是什么还需要？
我这没调乱了啊。
We change the arc voltage and the IH as heat. Go.
我看一下行。
There's alarm in the gun.
X 上次是改成00345，然后报算，这就可以了。
光改 X 了一下。对，
光改 X 应该是不能改了。但切板的话就是把它改成416，和它一样了。这是切。
This is for plate cutting。
这是切板的。然后我现在改成切板是。
This is for pipe cutting. Every time you need to change because this controller can only save one parameter. So when we change to cutting plate and cutting pipe, we need to change this parameter every time. Only need to change X.
还有这个地方注意，行程是2:3。
And we goes the X travel is 2,300 millimeters.
这样就可以了。 速度减个300就够了。参数几乎是一样的，就是
这个调高不用改，
调高不用改。你像它这个6和8，说实话区别不大，很小一点儿。
这个管厚度是多少的
？3个镀锌板。那就行了，咱试一下吧。
行。Here start now.
找一个阳光好点的，
对不上焦。
要不你自己转一下，它倒是钳子倒不是烫，不烫。
Yes, okay. Yeah. When you use flame, it's better to lift, mount the plasma torch higher because this place is hot. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
这现在是咱们用火焰了，需要点这个参数。
When we use the flame, we need to change some parameters.
控制。
In F5,
火焰等离子。
The first list.
火焰是0。
The first list. And we need to. 1 means plasma, 0 means flame. We need to change here. Change to flame. Every time.
然后这是火焰的参数，几乎我们设置的就是延迟100秒，然后2次手动。可以。
I will send you the video. Okay. Yeah. 等一会儿给讲一下这个。
像这一个它是上面
Yes.
前面都有标识的，中大中小。
This is the 这个是控制。
这是控制点火。
Okay, yeah. It will be English. This is the auto fire. This, yeah.
这个是预热器的燃气。
This is the 这个。
对，预热器的燃气。
This is the prepare heat. Yeah. Of the fuel. Yeah, preheat of the fuel.
这一个是预热器的氧气。
This is the preheat oxygen. Yeah.
这一个是切割氧气。
This is the cutting oxygen. Yeah. I'll put the label there.
我先试一下。
So let's start. Thank you. But to test.
因为你要说是冷了直接切割的话，容易烧嘴，容易烧那个东西。先给它预热一下。你看这个2，预热。咱们这个火焰的话，你看到吗？这几个2是点燃器，点燃器的时候同时开这个预热氧。预热氧是需要3个开关的话，第一是点火开关。
行，我先跟他说说。Hello friend, I need to listen to the video speak first, okay? Then I explain to you, okay?
我们这一个是需要它点燃器的时候是点燃器打火开关先开，开了之后，然后这个预热氧是它说明燃气和氧气同时打开，然后给它点火，点一下点，然后点火就灭掉了，这就和打火机一样。然后2个火焰然后形成对着了之后，需要咱们调大小，然后形成了刚才那个效果。然后先给板材预热，进行预热，预热的感觉这个得说实话，我是凭自己的经验了。预热到一定的程度下，然后再按开始，然后这个切割氧一进行，然后就切着往前走了。
就是先预热板材。对，
先预热板材，预热板材根据板材的厚度，还有这个板材的温度。你像对于我来说，我的经验就是说预热板材，然后板材往外冒一些小星星之类的类型，就等于是预热成功了。你像你还有一个，你看那边咱有4个继电器，那就是来控制一个继电器控制打火的，一个继电器控制燃气。你看这根管道这根管道你看可以往顺着往这边捋。如果说这根管道就是打火，就是它这个电磁阀，然后这个电磁阀就是燃气，红色的管道燃气，然后这一个电磁阀是控制切割氧，因为我也得看管子嘛。控制切割氧，这一个就是控制预热气体的氧气，这一个是打火器，因为它是5个组。
This box is for the auto fire. Control the auto fire. This is for Vela, how to pronounce VLVE. This 4 are for control the control. Control the each of the options such as pre. Yeah. 那它如果是上来步骤是怎么弄？
上来的步骤咱就是打开机之后的步骤。
First, when we use Yinfeng, the first step.
咱第一步就是先把它自动模式下，然后这个辅助。我搞错了。复位，这是回烟点。第一步回烟点。然后再找到，然后再前进就左右，找到你需要切割的那个位置。
Next, go to the workpiece 0 point.
感觉位置可以了，然后其次就是把这2个开关打开，像燃气啊，第一步是先开它，
气压这个。
对，气压，然后气压调到0.5以上就可以。
Pressure above 0.5 MPa.
然后再把燃气开到，你看看这个位置就是可以的。
0.1。
然后测试一下，然后这个按钮是在火焰上面了。
Make sure it's in flame mode.
对，然后这一个按钮是在那个切板上面。
And this, in plate cutting mode.
然后其次就是图形库，
And when we
找一个，
choose a drawing in the file gallery.
然后咱们尺寸是50，然后50，
And input a size.
然后50，然后就是引出线和那个退出线。
Set the lead in and lead out line.
这边都设置好了，然后点一下提交，确认图形没有错，
Okay.
然后点确定，然后点这个自动模式，这边有一个图形。
F4.
图形，这个图形是你的吗？然后退出一下，然后把这个枪头升上去
Lift up the torch.
然后点一下2，然后就是
先让它 get torch door.
然后先让这个管道里面是没有气体的，先让这个管道循环一下，然后该预热的话预热，因为第一次打你肯定是打不着，因为它管道里面没有气体，打火是很快的，气体还没有出来呢，打火已经时间过着，所以说第一下先让它预热，管道里面充满气体，然后你看这样的，只要是打，绝对能打到。你像呢，刚才第一下就没有打到，原因就在这里。然后这个时候都没问题了，按一下它。这就是已经开始切割了，
这个高度
不是需要，这个高度咱没法用它来控制了，就是在手动调，需要打着火之后再把它降下来。然后这个时候你看需要走一下边框，是在你这个位置，然后走一下边框。
We running without.
然后把速度改一下 ，F 是改速度。
Yeah, change speed is too fast.
按下 F， 这边显示速度。混音的话速度很慢，500的高度。然后你看这个时候需要我再按一下。这个位置就算可以，然后预热，对，现在是在预热，预热200毫的预热效果。
那有冒火星了，
对，冒火星了，因为我不清楚这个火焰形成有点低下了。都是啥？就我已经下了。
You have touch by hand.
这个是在电脑上还是？现在就已经是电脑式了，如果需要电脑上，它有这个时间，我设置的是100秒。因为小朋友它现在有点冒火出来的，所以咱们
The time can set. Reset is 100 seconds. Stop. Yeah. 这是20毫米的啊，
对20毫米。
20。
把枪头上。
So let's see. Let's see. 反面。Yes, yes.
这是正面。
This is the top surface. This is bottom. Yeah. It's cutting good. Yeah.
我那有卡尺，需要拿一下吗？
嗯，
我那有卡尺，需要拿一下吗？
那不用不用。
好。
Yes. About the plasma we have just test just now. Obviously you now this is the watch band hole.